Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and today I wanted to share with you guys a cookie recipe that I found on allrecipes.com, and I will leave the original recipe down below. If you're interested to see how I made these chocolate chip cookies, then please stay tuned and let's get into this video. So they came out really nice, and as I said in the video, the bottoms are just like the perfect golden brown, which I always look for in a really well-baked cookie, so that is nice. And they didn't flatten out as wide as I thought, which is not, like, it's not a big deal, but I do like that they look nice and thick and hefty and just so delicious. It smells amazing, so let's just give this a bite. Yeah. It is, oh, you guys, it is so soft. It's not crazy sweet, but it is just so very soft. Like, you have the crunch from the outer of the cookie, and then the inside is just amazing. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do give this recipe a try, let me know what you think. But yeah, let's get to chatting in the comment box, and I'll see you down there, and I really hope you enjoyed, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.